So good morning, all. Good evening, good afternoon. You can see this video, the timing. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So like last video, we have created this three-tier architecture inside the MVC, inside the MVC. So just like whatever we have created these architectures, like this solution architecture, we will upload to the GitHub. So today's session, today's lecture, it should be like last lecture, I think this paint diagram is not visible. So I will show you like this paint diagrams, whatever we have created, like end user is requesting to the user interface. User interface is connecting to the business logic, and business logic is connected to the data logic, and data is connecting to the actual DPA. Same way, it's returning the response from coming to the end users. So I will share the screen. First, like if we are upload this code in GitHub, so we require open the GitHub here. So how to create a GitHub repository? I will show you. Like first we hit the GitHub, and if you have the email ID, you can create an account using that particular email ID. So I will put my email ID here, itboostup@gmail.com. I will continue, create a password. I will put my password. Then I will continue. As a username, I will put itboostup. Continue. Would you like to retrieve the product update announcement via email? Like this update will be coming like from the GitHub. If GitHub is if any if they have given any update from the GitHub, so I will put yes. Then I will continue. Verify your account. Please solve this puzzle. To verify that you are the humans. Start the puzzles. So pick the spiral galaxy. So I will create account. So like you can also create GitHub account. It's a free, so like they have given the verifications. I will verify here only. I will open Google and I will log in. Yeah, they have sent a verification email code here. I will copy this number and I will put here. Oh, it's like not copy 30 then 980050. I will verify again. Yes, now it's correct. It's a verifying. So it's like a welcome to GitHub. That window will be coming. So like how many teams member will be working with you. So I will put as a just me as a teacher. I will continue. So like they have again, they have asking specific interested in like a security, so project management, community, team administrators. I will select everything. I will continue. Yeah, like see here, like they like what they have given the free as like unlimited public and the private repositories. 2000 actions minute in a month. Like if we are like using a free service, we need to like they have given the limitations. We are using these portals only 2000 minute and the 500 MB package storage. Like they have given only like 500 MB storage mechanism. So let's start like continuing for the free. So they have creating a dashboard for us. So like this will be dashboard from the GitHubs. Now we need I will show you my this screen, board screen. Sorry, this I don't think that Zoom meetings. Oh, this is not my channel. So whatever like we have created this trade architecture, we will create a repository and we will upload. So you can also download these clean architectures. So here this window like coming from the GitHub. I think it was yeah. So I will create a repository. Here is a green button, create a repository, and I will put here like a name of the repository. Like I will put free tire architectures. Yeah, that repository name is available inside the IT BoostUp. So I will put a description here, IT trader architecture in a MVC for a demo applications. Okay, I will choose this is a public. I will put as an add node me. So I will create a repository. So it's a they have creating a repository for us. Okay, so how we can like upload the code inside this repository? So first we need to clone that. So this is our repository URL. So I will here going to the gate clone repository and then I will put and I will put the part here when we have created a demo data architecture. Okay, okay. I will create so inside the semicolon demo retire, I have created a git code. So I will go to again here. Sorry, in Solution Explorer, I will choose the git code, select, and I will clone. So it's a cloning the applications. So whatever we have created here, that repository from GitHub, so we have cloned first in our local computer, in local computers via in a Visual Studio. Yeah. Now we can add our this project, whatever we have creating. So we will add this all project inside the Git. Yeah. So if we choose here IT booster. So we have like adding this project, and now we need to commit the changes. How we can commit the changes? Just click on that Git changes. So I will recheck again that screen is yeah, you are visible or not. Yes. So I will total like 4 to 7 changes available to commit. See here, like all folder will becoming IT BoostUp admin, BLL, common, DLL, IDLL, and that folders. So IT BoostUp admin, IT BoostUp BLL, IT BoostUp common, IT BoostUp DLL, IT BoostUp IDLL. I will stage. First, we need to stage that particular. If you want to commit the code on the repository via GitHub, then we need to first stage that particular change. So I will first take a project by project, will be staging to the Git code. It's a taking time committing or staging that particular. It's a like, see now, it's a like that IT bootstrap.admin folder will be, it's a like move from changes to the state changes. That means whatever we have changed the files, it's coming the changes section. And if we are staging that section, that files will be moved into the like stage changes sections. So continuously I will stage all project here, here. Now I will put like this is the first step. Like first we need to stage, then second step we need to commit stage and the sync. Before that we need to require the compulsory like a comment. Like I will put a comment like a sort of route. Sorry, IT poster, and then creating demo application for free tire picture using MVC. Then you can select here the this tab, and you can commit stage and the sync. So that means first we need to commit the changes in our local repository. When we have like see the local repository, like whatever we have creating at this Git code, this is our local repository. And after that, we are moving that code to the server repository. Where this is the server repository, we have created from GitHub portals. You can see here, this is the GitHub portals. Now we can check it's like still it's like one outgoing changes. So we need to push particular changes to the server repository. something wrong, that repository changes is not going, we need to check again. We have committed locally. Stuff. Next is next, something wrong with the include miscellaneous files inside the solutions. So we have like committing wrong files. X are not pushing that GitHub has the some coding. So I will create another folder, and there I will clone again that repository. This is the repository part, and I will new code. So I will choose this new folder and then cloning. So here we have the latest versions. Now I will copy this folder to this new folder. And it's taking time, so we will wait until all copy the files from that new location where we have cloned the repository. If like a same error is coming again, then we will create like a fresh way to that folder and we will commit. It's like a 5 minutes activity. to us create a new folders. And let's try one more time. The same like that I can find out because it have includes the some like a miscellaneous files. That's why we are not able to push the course. So we will check why it's not happening. For the like meanwhile, I will yes like this is the our repository. I will recreate again clone repository here folder final. Okay, so we need to again the final folder and we'll clone and inside that cloning we will create and commit the course. Some course. Yeah, I will open Visual Studio again. So we'll continue that we will upload our trade architecture code to the GitHub repository. We have created successfully, but some files we are not able to push our code. So we'll create it booster.admin and choose file. I will share my Visual Studio screen. Maybe you are not able to see my screen. Think why it's like multiple times we need to select that Zoom meeting. I don't think so. Here, it's creating a project. we will wait. It's a creating some time required to like creating all files, basic files. They have given the controller, root folder, content. So, and my system is also slow. So in my 12 GB RAM, but still it's slow. So now I think we try to git changes. We don't need to upload the DLL files. Let's try. It's taking no, it's like I will state the bin folder. How to unstage? Just right click that folder if you want not committing any files, just right click and unstage. So I will check if any. Why this folder is coming? New things. Package. So I will stop object debugger, so I will unstage and I will try this on files. Still it's not giving some. Some problem with that particular files. That's why maybe we are not able to post, but we will find there like a solution. But in this video, you can see like how to create a repositories on the GitHub portal, And next video, we will upload this repository, like our code to inside this repositories. Thank you. Be connected, like a week IT BoostUp. Thanks. Be connected with the IT BoostUp. Thank you.